Good morning. This is Dr. Patel of snoozeclinic.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about the CPAP battery kit. We have a lot of patients here in northern Indiana who love camping, fishing, outdoors activity, and want to use the CPAP, which they should. So to review this, it comes in a nice little bag like this, and it looks like this. It's thin, compact, light, weighs only 1.6 pounds. With the bag it weighs 3 pounds, which is not bad at all. It comes with 7 connector tips, which you can use to connect to different CPAP machines. Now, whenever you buy something new, there are 2 questions. 1, does it work? And 2, how easy it is to use. So based on what my patients have told me and the people who have reviewed it, it does work. It gives you a couple of nights of CPAP usage on one charge, and it works for, there's a list of devices on the back of the box. It works for all Respironics CPAP machines. The DreamStation is what we use here commonly. It works without any attachment. You don't need any attachment if you use it for DreamStation machine. For DeVille-based devices, same thing. You don't need anything. Now for ResMed, S8, S9, Fisher-Paykel, ResMed AirSense, you need a power inverter or a power converter, which is not included. But all you need for Respironics machines is in there, that you can start using it from the first night. It charges within 3-4 hours, and on a single charge it can go a couple of nights. If you turn the humidifier off, it can last even longer. There is also a dual battery pack, which would be a little bit thicker than this, but everything else would be same, and that can last for a night or 2 more. It is approved for traveling by FAA and air and security travel. The cost is a little bit expensive. It's, I think, close to $250, but all the batteries are, and I guess that's the reason the Tesla cars are so expensive. It charges quickly. Now you can charge it by using an adapter, which is not included, through the car's cigarette lighter connector also. It's just a tiny adapter that you need to use to do that. Now on the battery itself, this is DC in prong, this is AC out. This is a battery indicator, tells you how much usage you have left in the battery. And this is, there are 2 lights here which shows if it's charging or if it is completely charged. So if you are planning going camping, hiking, fishing, any outdoors activity, please use your CPAP. And this is a CPAP battery that my patients have used last season successfully and easily. So once again, it works. It is easy to use. Charges in 3-4 hours, runs the CPAP machines for a couple of nights. Comes with easy to read user guide, very nicely organized bag. These are the connector that you need for different devices. The bag, the instruction device has all that. This is the charging cable. This is the cable you use for connecting it to the CPAP machine. On the other side is the place for battery itself. So even after you combine the CPAP bag, the DreamStation bag, and this one, it's still very light to carry. So this is Dr. Patel of snoozeclinic.com. Always use your CPAP even when traveling, even when camping, and have a fabulous spring, summer, and fall season. Sleep well, live well, use the CPAP. CPAP is life. snoozeclinic.com.